Hey guys, meet my cat. Number one, number two, number three, number four, number five, number six, number seven. The other is sleeping inside. This is Cookie. Hey Cookie, smile. And that is Buchi. Buchi. And this is Payat. And the sleeping there is Chanel and their mother Mimang. And suddenly came Sebastian. This is Sebastian and this is Mochikat. Mochikat is sleeping. Look at that. And this is Basti. Look at that. That is my twins. They are twins, Sebasti and Bastian. Sebastian. Look at them. They're playing, guys. Look at that. Hey, Sebastian. What is that? Do not eat that. Do not eat that. Look at that. We are outside, guys. Mimang. That is Mimang, their mother. What is that? Come on, get out. And this is Monse, my black cat. This is a girl cat. And this is my black small kittens. And look at that. That is, oh, I will come forward. Who's this? This is Taba Ching Ching. Taba Ching Ching. And that is Sebastian. Look at them. There are 3 kittens inside. Look at them. There are so many. Basti! 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 Sebastian! 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 Look at that. This is Buchi. Buchi! Sebastian! Sleeping Mochikat. Sleeping Mochikat. Look at that. Look at the face of Mochikat. Oh my. Hey Payat. What are you doing? Look at them. These are the 3 babies. The 3 babies. And Sebastian.